An egg roll, veggie. I need a boob. Better yet, I need a high chair, like the little babies, with a little plate like that. So everything I drop stays there. Because girl, I just cannot eat today. A green one. Alrighty, so I moved you guys.
Hold on, I need to go get me some water. I need some water. Got the water.
A broccoli. Some fried rice.
I didn't get any tofu on my plate.
And somehow, it sneaked in there.
It's not that good.
Mac and cheese. Even though I dropped a whole bunch. My fave. Dropped it on my dress. That's why. I blew on it to eat it. I want it to have lint. I love it. The mac and cheese is my fave. And the zucchinis, they're good. They're perfectly cooked. They're crunchy, they're sweet. And who doesn't love healthy food? Comment below if it's hard for you to eat healthy food. Comment below. I feel like, what's that guy's name? Something Miles. Remember, it was like back in 2000 something where he was like my status if you like pumps. Like my status if you, whatever. Like my status. That's me now. Comment below if you like this. Comment below. Blah, blah, blah. Just leave a fucking comment below. Just kidding. Subscribe. Subscribe. Leave a comment below if you subscribed after watching this video. Yum. Slowly trying to go back to my old habits, my good habits, not the bad ones, where I would juice every day and work out every day and eat healthier, because I've really fallen off of the wagon and I think I'm just getting too comfortable. And no, girl, no. Because I really do enjoy eating like healthy food, you know, even though this isn't extremely healthy, it's a little bit healthy because I'm eating veggies and my green juice, and not necessarily the mac and cheese part, but it's really good. And yeah, it's filling, but you don't feel like horrible after you eat it, you know. I'm drinking air now. I want another smoothie. This is my fave. Out of everything, that was my fave. But anyways, I'm full. I can't eat it all, but it was really yummy. I'll probably finish it later. I just want to say bye to you guys. And thank you for tuning in. And let me know your opinions. I do appreciate all of you who like my videos and subscribe and comment. Let me know if you like these kind of videos.